In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about what do we mean by intelligent agent. Right. Before going into this particular topic, in the last few classes, we have just discussed about what do you need, why do you need artificial intelligence, what are all the roles played by artificial intelligence in various domains, and basically we have discussed about different types of agents and what is the agent going to do. And this particular topic, we are going to discuss about what do you mean by intelligent agent and what are all the roles performed by the agent in various domains. Coming to the next slide. An intelligent agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors. So any agent is going to act according to the environment, and the percept is called as an input and action is called as an output, and in between the question mark is represented as a particular agent function which is going to be done by the agent, and this agent function will be a reaction on the environment, and the percept is an input to the particular agent. So we have actuators and sensors inside to make this particular function work effectively. Right. Now let's take one simple example of vacuum cleaner. Here the percept sequence would be, if the for example, assuming two surfaces A and B, if the surface A is clean, you move to the right side. If the surface A is dirty, you suck the dust. So depending upon the situation, what is the action to be done and what is the input to be given, that is classified in this particular simple example. So like this, you can classify this into any environment. In any real-time example, it can be done. Now let's move on to the next slide. Right. These are the properties of a task environment. In short form, we call this as P's: performance, environment, actuators, and sensor. So depending upon each and every topic, how it is going to react to the particular situation. So by just reading through this, you will be in a position to understand what is what. Right. We'll move on to the next slide. So this is observable, deterministic, eligible. So different types of task environment based on various AI problems. So whether it is deterministics, probabilistics, or fully deterministics, partially deterministic, depending upon the top problem. For example, crossword puzzle, tic-tac-toe, chess. So depending upon the problem, what are all its states, that is analyzed in this particular problem. So now we'll move on to the next slide. This is the normal structure of any agent where percept is going to be an input, and with that you will have a sequence, and you keep on looking up for the perceptible as long as there is a particular input and try to process it. Thank you.